What is this called? Naked bike. Naked bike. What is this called? Enduro bike. Enduro bike. What is this called? Trike. Trike. What is this called? Superbike. Superbike. What is this called? Dual sport bike. Dual sport bike. What is this called? Adventure bike. Adventure bike. What is this called? Mini bike. Mini bike. What is this called? Sidecar. Sidecar. What is this called? Pocket bike. Pocket bike. What is this called? Scrambler. Scrambler. Share your comment. Like, share, and subscribe.